Very good morning to everyone. So we're going to jump right into this crypto market update, and it's the 11th of August, and we are looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. So I firstly want to just establish some key levels for us in the market. So 31,000 area has been established as a weekly support level, then a weekly resistance level right here at 39 to 40,000 area was established as a resistance level, now potentially support in the future. And right above, we've got this resistance area at 48,000. So that is on the weekly. And then jumping down to the daily time frame, let's quickly see at what we've got right here. So that weekly support level we talked about at 48,000, as you can see, resistance level, it was previously support. And what happens to past support? It becomes future resistance. So we're expecting price to find some form of resistance. If price breaks through that area immediately with a strong bullish candle, then we can buy the retest on that area of demand. If not, this is going to be a good area to take some profits from these buys that we indicated from the 38.2, and then start taking some profits and waiting for the market to pull back and then rebuy the dip for further continuation to the upside. So these are our daily ranges. So we're currently in the range of 39,000 to 48,000, and this is our daily range that we will be working with. So let's go down to a 4-hour and let's see what we've got on the 4-hour chart. So currently on the 4-hour, price is setting up against a short-term resistance zone, and just below that we've got the support area at 44,500. So in terms of intraday trading, what you want to look at is once we get a strong break and close above 46,500, you want to be buying the retest on that support level. Secondary, if we start breaking down this level at 44,800, then we can expect a deeper pullback all the way down here to 43,300. So that is our intraday or intersession ranges that we are working with. But in terms of the market currently, the market is looking very bullish. And if we look at volume, let's just see if we've got volume, fresh volume coming into the market. And I'm going to go down to the daily and let's see what the volume looks like. So in terms of volume, there's definitely some pickup of volume. And if we look at the 20-day moving average, let's see if we above that on the volume chart. So I'm just going to display this quickly for us so that we can see. So volume is still below the 20-day moving average, which is not necessarily a concern. But if we're going to expect price to really start pumping, we want to see volumes coming through that 20-day moving average. So that's just something to note. And then Ethereum. Let's quickly jump down to Ethereum, and I'm just going to clear the volume for now. And let's start off with the weekly time frame and break it down on the weekly. So weekly, very clear, 1,850, this area right here, major weekly support level. There were 3 weeks where we tapped into that area and the market reacted immediately. Then also the weekly resistance that we had here, 2750. Expect price to potentially somewhere along this cycle that we're in come back to this level, and this is going to be a very nice buying opportunity. So in terms of weekly resistances, Ethereum's got no weekly resistance, only up at $3,900 here, closer to $4,000. So clear traffic to my left. So Ethereum really has got the opportunity to start running to the upside. And let's go down to a daily time frame and quickly see what we've got on the daily. So on the daily, looking to my left, as you guys can see, this green little candle right there, that is going to be an intermediate intersession resistance level. So what you want to look out for is if we're going to find resistance in this area, then wait for price to pull all the way back down to this level right here, 2,500. And that's when you want to start rebuying. So if you are in some Ethereum longs, this is the area where you want to take some profit, book some profit, And if we break out and on the retest, you can rebuy into that coin. And then I think it's going to be a clean run all the way up to 4,200. That's how it's currently looking. And just looking at the volume, also the recent run has had more volume than what BTC has had. So the volume has exceeded the 20-day moving average. So very, very nice price action, very nice volume coming into the market. And this is very bullish for Ethereum. So only going to look at these two. I want to give you guys an idea of what I'm expecting. Price is still very young in the cycle. Are we in the new bull cycle? It is yet to be confirmed. I think as we've seen with previous cycles, once we get to the all-time highs, there's still a lot of room for upside. So it's going to be very interesting to see how price develops up until the end of the year. Are we going to go into the next super cycle? Yet to be seen, but definitely some nice buying going on the crypto market. So stay tuned for further updates, and we will see you guys on tomorrow's update. Have a great day, trade safe, and we will see you guys tomorrow.